Hello friends, you are watching me and mom.
Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? A B B C C D D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hen, I for ink, J for jug, K for kite, L for lamb, M for monkey, N for nest, O for owl, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rat, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for York, Z for zoo. So, hope you learn ABC. So learn and enjoy it. Bye.
Hello friends, you are watching me and mom.